Imposter Syndrome in STEM Communication Edition. Hi everyone, my name is Alda. I'm a biophysicist and communication coach, and I help STEM professionals improve their communication skills. So from my experience, imposter syndrome comes up in two ways when we are explaining our work. The first one is that we are giving too much information. Like we are putting there in those presentations and reports all the plots, all the results, all the data, every single thing we can think of in order to prove that we did a lot of work, that we work really hard, and that our work is meaningful. And the other way around is completely different. So people just don't put any information, or they don't put enough information out there because they don't think their work matters. And this is something that comes up a lot when I work with my clients, and the solution to this is quite straightforward. Both of those extremes are really founded in the same thing, and it is you proving your worth. And in order to stop doing that, and in order to make it easier for us when we have to explain our work, because as STEM professionals, many of us have never been taught how to do that. So it's really easy to sort of slide into the imposter syndrome and all of those things that happen with that, procrastination and so on. So how can we help ourselves when we need to present our work in order not to make these errors? So first of all, and this is something that I do a lot with my clients, is this mindset shift of, instead of thinking what we want to say and what we need to prove to people, to focus on what they need to hear in order to understand our work. And I found this mindset shift to be really useful because all of a sudden it sort of lifts the burden from your worth and proving how good of a professional you are, to really focusing on what really matters here. And that is informing people and showing people what you did and how that work impacts them. So once you are able to do that, not only that imposter syndrome disappears, because of all of a sudden you are not focused on yourself, you are focused on the people who are listening to you. And it also provides you this sense of accomplishment, because you are there in the role of a guide who is guiding other people and teaching other people and showing them what you really have to offer and what you bring to the table. So I hope you found this useful, and if you want to further work on those issues, I will leave a link for a free call with me down below. And you can, of course, always schedule a call with me in which you can tell me about your challenges that you're facing in your STEM career, and we can see if we are a good fit to work together. So I hope you found this video useful, and see you next time. Bye bye.